Put a candle in a sardine tin. This hack can truly save the day. Take a regular candle, preferably a classic wax one. Break it into smaller pieces by hand and trim the wick with scissors. Put the candle chunks into the fish tin so nothing spills out. Then, place everything on a frying pan. Heat it slowly until the wax is completely melted. It should be liquid, smooth, and uniform. Once the wax has melted, remove the leftover wick from the center. Now, prepare the fish tin. Take some cardboard and cut it into long strips. Ideally, they should be roughly the height of the tin. Pack them tightly next to each other, coiling the cardboard into a spiral until the entire inside is filled. Leave a piece of cardboard sticking out in the middle to serve as a wick. Now, pour the melted wax into the tin. Do it slowly so it soaks well into the cardboard and reaches every spot. The cardboard will start absorbing the wax like a sponge. Once it hardens, your long-lasting candle is ready. Just light the protruding cardboard in the center. The flame will be calm and steady, and the whole thing will burn for a really long time. The wax-soaked cardboard acts as a fuel reservoir. It's a homemade, long-lasting heater that works perfectly as a backup during a power outage. A simple and cheap way to get light without electricity. Place 4 tea light candles into a muffin tray. Light all the candles, then set a pot filled with water on top and cover it with a lid. It's a brilliant way to heat water without a stove. Perfect when you don't have access to one or during a power outage. You'll be surprised how simple and effective this solution is. Sprinkle lit candles with cinnamon, and your eternal problem will disappear in a minute. Take a pan and put plain white candles in it, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use tongs to remove the wicks from the melted candles and place them in a different container. Next, take a glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Add a few cloves and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir thoroughly. Finally, add the wick, measuring it to the ideal height, and hold it in place with a long toothpick so it doesn't fall inside. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. The candle is ready. Light it and place it in a room where you spend a lot of time. The candle helps you relax. This natural candle will fill your home with the scent of cinnamon and cloves, helping to get rid of unwanted insects. Poke holes in a bottle with a fork, and it will completely transform your home. I've been using this trick for years, and it saves me a lot of money. An empty shampoo bottle works perfectly for this. First, remove the top part of the bottle. Get a piece of paper towel or a paper roll and roll it into a cone shape. Place it into the opening of the bottle. Pour in 1 tablespoon of coffee. Coffee not only smells wonderful, but also has other important uses. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has neutralizing and antibacterial properties. Remove the paper funnel. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Eucalyptus, lavender, or lemon all work great. Close the bottle with its cap. Place the finished bottle in your wardrobe. This simple trick will keep your closet always smelling fresh, and more than that. This homemade solution also acts as a natural barrier against moths. The strong scent of the mix is something moths hate. Enjoy fresh-smelling, well-protected clothes every day. Combine a lit candle with VapoRub. The results will surprise you. Take a pan and place some plain white candles in it, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use tongs to remove the wicks from the melted candles and place them on a board. Add 1 tablespoon of VapoRub to the melted wax and stir thoroughly, ensuring the 2 ingredients are well combined. Next, take a small glass container and pour the melted wax with VapoRub into it. Add a few cloves to the mixture. Finally, insert the wick, adjusting it to the right height. Hold it in place with a clip to prevent it from falling in. Once the wax hardens, remove the clip. Your candle is now ready. Light it, and you're done. The candle contains VapoRub, which is known for its antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. This type of candle is great for clearing the airways during a cold. Place candles in fabric softener. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can be transformed into something entirely different. Take a pan and place the candles on it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use a fork to remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Then add fabric softener. Sprinkle in a few cloves as well. Finally, add the wick to the mixture. Hold it in place with a clothespin so it doesn't fall in. Once the wax solidifies, remove the clothespin. Sprinkle a few more cloves on top of the candle. Finally, light the candle, and you're done. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help you get rid of unwanted mosquitoes. Did you know that if you light the bottom of a candle and stick it to a jar, then add crushed cinnamon, a handful of cloves, pour in some water and a layer of oil, and finally light the wick, you'll get an everlasting candle? When you place it anywhere, it will repel insects and bugs like flies, cockroaches, and moths. Place rosemary on candles to reduce stress and improve memory. Place 3 candles in a pan and start heating them. Once the candles begin to melt, use tongs to remove the wicks and set them on paper. Next, take fresh sprigs of rosemary. Toss the rosemary into the pan and heat briefly. Rosemary has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It calms, eases breathing, and enhances focus. You'll also need a small glass jar. Place the rosemary sprigs from the pan in the jar, then pour in the melted wax. Before the wax hardens, insert the wick. Use a toothpick or clip to hold it in place. Once the wax solidifies, remove the toothpick and add a bit more rosemary. Your candle is now ready. Place it somewhere you spend a lot of time. Finally, light it and enjoy the relaxing ambiance. The scent of rosemary boosts memory and focus, making this candle perfect for your office or workspace. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is one small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing.